Meaning of dialectic.
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 Dialectic. Dialectic refers to a method of reasoning that involves exploring opposing viewpoints in order to arrive at a deeper and more complete understanding of a particular topic. This approach typically involves presenting arguments or ideas from different perspectives, analyzing their strengths and weaknesses, and synthesizing them into a new and more integrated perspective. The ultimate goal of dialectic is to uncover underlying complexities and contradictions, and to arrive at a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of the subject at hand. Through this process of analysis and synthesis, dialectic aims to achieve a higher level of insight and wisdom.